Hi, I'm Matt from Camloc. In this video, I'll be explaining the data that we need in order to size a gas strut. Now, if you click on the link here, this will take you to the application form that we'll be talking about in this video. Customers often ask why we ask for so much information on this form, and there is good reason for it. What we're trying to do is get the best possible solution to you in the shortest amount of time with the least number of design iterations. It also gives us an understanding of what you're trying to achieve with the application, whether you need something that's a nice slow and controlled movement or whether you need something that opens rapidly. It just enables us to get a good understanding of what you need. After we've understood what it is that you need, then we need a little bit more information about the size and shape of what it is you're trying to lift. Information such as the overall length of the lid, the distance from the pivot point to the handle, which might be different to the overall length, the lid thickness, the angle you need it to open to. We then need to understand any restrictions on the mounting space. As you can see with our example, we're fairly limited as to where the fixed mounting point can go, which can only be along this bar here. Providing this information helps us to reduce the number of design iterations. We then need to understand the weight of what's being lifted and where the hinge is. This helps us determine the size of the strut that will be needed. Then there is the centre of gravity from the pivot point. This can vary depending on the shape and materials used. If you're unsure, we can help you determine this, or it can be determined from CAD models. Finally, we need to understand the environment the gas struts will be used in, the operating temperature they'll be expected to be used in, and how many operations they'll be performing per day. As we said, we know this is a lot of information to ask, but we think the results are worth it. It saves you both time and money going through less design iterations. I hope you found this video informative. If you have any questions you'd like to ask, please use the comment section below. And please, if you found it useful, remember to like, subscribe and share.